Hi everyone, I'm Sarah Dover, Channel Marketing Manager here at Keystone RV. Today we're going to talk all about Avalanche. Avalanche is truly a brand where luxury has met its match. If your campers are looking for premium items, tons of space, and a beautiful looking fifth wheel, Avalanche provides all those amenities at a really great price point. The first thing I want to talk about is this beautiful exterior. This exterior was updated at Open House 2020 and has a beautiful white, charcoal, and black exterior. Our logo and our graphics have been inspired by the automotive industry and it looks really sharp. On the outside of the Avalanche 383 FL, I want to point out a couple things. First, we use the Lippert solid step. It is super easy to put up and to bring down. And the great part about it is this first step is extra deep. It supports your entire foot and it makes a very secure entry and exit out of the unit. Like I said, it's super easy to put up. There she goes. As we move along down the end of the unit, there are two 14-foot awnings that are above me, which present a beautiful campsite space. There's tons of storage. You can bring everything with you. And the back end here has a really nice large storage space for extra large items. And we can't forget the 2-inch receiver hitch that'll allow you to bring 300 pounds of toys. Make sure you want to check your owner's manual for what you can bring. Let's go inside. We're inside the Avalanche 383 FL. This unit is perfect for couples who are wanting that added luxury in the master suite and the bathroom, but who also may bring kids or grandkids or just friends along for the adventure. It provides tons of extra living space in the front living. With all Avalanches, they're built on a 100-inch wide body frame. That's 4 extra inches of living space and moving space in the hallways, so you do notice a difference. One of the really cool amenities that I love is this brand new legless dinette. You'll notice there's no leg, so your body won't be bumped and bruised as you're getting in. And also it has a really easy to use extended table. You lift up and it stays, and this piece slides out for extra space for dining. One of the other great things in this Avalanche kitchen is this pantry. It has a bunch of space for everything you want to bring for your entire crew. It also has a couple other hidden gems like this hidden trash that slides and tucks away. 4 drawers for all your kitchen utensils. The Furrion appliances make a very modern and aesthetically pleasing kitchen, and of course has the drawer in the bottom for pots and pans. This unit has a residential refrigerator, so it'll be just like home. All right, we're standing inside the front living space, and you can see it's got plenty of space for everybody to sit and watch TV on rainy days. These 2 opposing trifold sofas fold out and give 2 extra sleeping areas for guests or kids. And then of course this theater seating is directly across from the TV. And the great thing about the TV is it slides up and down. With the entertainment system, when you put the TV down, you'll have a beautiful windshield with a beautiful fireplace below. So we talked about how luxury meets its match in the Avalanche. You gotta come see this master suite. In addition to the cloak closet, this bedroom has 2 full-length wardrobes, a chest of drawers, cabinets above, and a space for a TV. Let's check out the bathroom. For added privacy into the bathroom, we've added 2 sliding doors. This bathroom also has a washer and dryer prep, or you could turn it into your 3rd full-size large wardrobe. The shower is a great size and has a built-in seat. And then the vanities are dual vanities with cabinets both above and below for all of your essentials and towels and extra storage. Thanks for joining us on this walkthrough of the Avalanche 383 FL. For more information on this floor plan and others, check us out online at keystonerv.com/Avalanche.